Hello grade 11s and welcome to the first lesson under the topic of analytical geometry. Now this is just a revision lesson of the things you should have covered in grade 10. Here we go. So the important information that you need to know are the formulae for distance or length, gradient or slope, equation of a straight line, as well as calculating the midpoint. Now all these formulae are on the information sheet, so please note that you don't need to memorize them. I took this from Servola, so please take it down. Number 1 states, determine the length of the line segment between the following points. 1.1, A, x is -3, y is 5, and B, x is -1 and y is -5. Square root of, let's say, xb minus xa squared plus ya squared. X of b is -1 minus x of a is -3 squared plus y of b is -5 minus 5 squared. So it's negative 1. Negative times negative, positive, plus 3 squared plus negative 5. Negative times positive is negative. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2 squared plus negative 5 minus 5 is negative 10 squared. 2 squared is 4 plus negative 100 times negative 100, positive 100, square root of 104, which is 2, square root of 26, which is 10,1980, 3903, 10,20 units. Okay, I hope that was understandable and clear. 1.2 C, x is 2x, y is y minus 2, and D, x is 3x plus 1, y is y minus 2. So you need to calculate CD. XD minus XC squared plus YD minus YC squared. What is XD? 3x plus 1 minus, what is XC? 2x squared plus, what is YD? Y minus 2 what is YC? Y minus 2 squared. Okay, so it's going to be 3x plus 1. Negative times positive is negative, minus 2x squared plus y minus 2. Negative times positive is negative, minus y. Negative times negative is positive, plus 2 squared. Three x minus 2x is x, so it's x plus 1 squared plus y minus y is 0, negative 2 plus 2 is 0 squared. Now don't expand this. Okay. X plus 1 squared. 0 times 0 is 0. X plus 1 squared. Because 0 plus that thing is just that thing, right? So since we have square root sign and a squared underneath the square root sign, they cancel each other. CD is x plus 1 units. I hope that is clear and understandable. 1.3 E is 4, Y is 1, and F, X is 6, and Y is 3. EF is equal to the square root of x of f minus x of e squared plus y of f minus y of e squared. What is x of f? 6 minus x of e is 4 squared plus y of f 3 minus y of e 1 squared. Six. Okay, negative times positive is negative minus 4 squared plus 3. Negative times positive is negative minus 1 squared. 6 minus 4 is 2 squared plus 3 minus 1 is 2 squared. 2 squared is 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So this gives 2 square root of 2. 2 comma 8284 27125. To 2 decimal places, EF is 2,83 units. I hope that was understandable and clear. Number 2 states, determine the gradient of the line determine the gradient of the following line segments. A, we have G is x is negative 5, y is 3, and hx is negative 7 and y is 4. Alright. So the gradient of GH y h minus y g over x h minus x g. What is y of h? 4 minus, what is y of g? 3. X of h negative 7 minus x of g negative 5. 4 minus 3, negative 7, negative times negative, plus 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. Negative 7 plus 5 is negative 2. Gradient of GH, 1 over negative 2 is negative 0, 5. Or, you can say negative 0,50 to 2 decimal places, or negative half. It didn't specify. B, I, x is 3, y is negative 2, and j, x is 1, y is negative 8. Gradient of ij yj minus yi over xj minus xi. What is yj? Negative 8 minus negative 2. 1 minus 3. So it's negative 8, negative times negative, plus 2 over 1 minus 3. Negative 8 plus 2 is negative 6 over 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Negative 6 over negative 2 is positive 3. Okay, I hope that makes sense and that was understandable. C, K, X is negative 2, Y is negative 5A minus 3, and L, X is A, Y is A squared plus 3. So the gradient of KL YL minus YK over XL minus XK. What is YL? A squared plus 3 minus Y of K, negative 5A minus 3. XL A minus XK is negative 2. So in the numerator we have A squared plus 3, negative times negative plus 5A, negative times negative plus 3. A, negative times negative, positive, plus 2. Let's simplify the numerator. A squared plus 5A, 3 plus 3 is 6, over A plus 2. Okay, I know there's no space, but please forgive me. So we factorize the numerator. A plus 2. Factors of A squared, A and A. Factors of 6 that when you add them, they give you 5. 6 times 1, 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 times 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. So here you have 2, here you have 3. Everything is positive. Okay, here's my pencil. So this cancels this, and the gradient of KL is just A plus 3. That is the final answer you should be getting to. I hope that was clear. D, P, X is negative 5 and Y is 25. In Q, X is B and Y is B squared. Gradient of PQ YQ minus YP XQ minus XP. What is YQ? B squared minus YP is 25 over XQ, which is B, minus XP, which is negative 5. So you have B squared minus 25 over B. Negative times negative is positive, B plus 5. You should be noticing that in the numerator you have a difference of 2 squares. So you factorize B plus 5. Square root of B squared is B. Square root of 25 is 5. One is positive, one is negative. And then we cancel out the one that repeats in the numerator and the denominator. B plus 5, B plus 5. So the gradient of PQ is B minus 5. I hope that was clear enough and it made sense. Okay. E, we have R, x is 2, y is 8, and S, x is c, y is c cubed. So the gradient of RS is ys minus yr xs minus xr. So what is ys c cubed minus yr 8 over what is xs c minus what is xr 2. So you have c cubed minus 8 c minus 2. So you have a difference of 2 cubes in the numerator. So cube root of c cubed is c minus cube root of 8 is 2. Then c to the power of 2 is c squared plus 2 times c is 2c plus negative 2 to the power of 2, negative 2 squared is 4 over c minus 2. They cancel each other out. Therefore, the gradient of Rs is c squared plus 2c plus 4. I hope that was clear and I hope it made sense. Number 3 states, calculate the coordinates of the midpoint M, X and Y of the line segment between the following points. Roman numeral number 1, T, X is 3 and Y is 5, and U, X is negative 1 and Y is negative 1. So midpoint is xt plus xu over 2 yt plus yu over 2. Which is the midpoint. What is x of t? 3 plus what is x of u? Negative 1 all over 2. What is y of t? 5 plus negative 1 all over 2. 3 positive times negative minus 1 over 2. 5 positive times negative minus 1 over 2. 3 minus 1 is 2 over 2. 5 minus 1 is 4 over 2, which is just 2 over 2 is 1, 4 over 2 is 2. I hope that made sense and that it was clear enough. Roman numeral number 2, V, X is negative 3, Y is negative 4, and W, X is 2, Y is 3. So the midpoint is XV plus XW over 2 YV plus YW over 2. xv is -3 plus xw 2 over 2, yv -4 plus yw 3 over 2. So this is just -3 plus 2 is -1 over 2. -4 plus 3 is -1 over 2. It didn't specify the form that we must leave them in, so we can leave them in fraction form. Okay, I hope that wasn't too challenging. Unfortunately, I haven't prepared another revision session from another source, so please forgive me. If you found this video helpful in any way, please click the like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again.